In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Banggood account password. If you've forgotten your password or just want to secure your account with a fresh one, I'll walk you through the exact process from start to finish and share a few helpful tips along the way so you don't get stuck. First, open your web browser and go directly to banggood.com. Starting from the official site helps you avoid any lookalike pages. Once the homepage loads, head to the top right corner and select Sign In. This opens the login window where you would normally enter your credentials. Below the login fields, look for the link that says Forgot Password and click it. This takes you to the recovery page. Here, you'll be asked for your registered email address, the one you used when you created the account. Type it carefully, double check for typos, and make sure it's an inbox you can currently access. Next, choose Send Code. Banggood will email a verification code to the address you entered. Keep this browser tab open while you check your inbox so you can return quickly. The code usually arrives within a minute or two. If you don't see it, refresh your inbox and check your spam or junk folder since automated emails sometimes land there. If multiple messages arrive, use the most recent code as earlier ones may expire. When you have the code, return to the website and enter it exactly as shown, paying attention to any letters and numbers. After the code is verified, you'll be prompted to set a new password. Create one that's strong and unique. A reliable approach is a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols, with a length that's hard to guess but easy for you to remember. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites and consider saving it in a reputable password manager so you won't lose it. Finally, click the Confirm or Submit button to save your new password. You should see a confirmation that the reset was successful. If you aren't automatically signed in, just return to the sign-in page and log in using your email and the new password you created. Quick note, if you normally sign into Banggood using a third-party account, such as a social login, the password reset on Banggood won't apply. You'll need to manage your password with that service instead. And that's it. You've reset your Banggood account password safely and correctly. Keep your new password secure, and you'll be ready to shop and manage your orders without any trouble.